There's a lot of music being played around. Sun is shining and this place looks beautiful. Stay with me as I take you along, and I have to take some shots because of the noises around. So I try to take a long video. I'm afraid I will receive copyrights, and I don't want to receive any copyright of music that I'm not interested with. We are now in the afternoon. It's a few minutes now, 23 minutes to 2 p.m. and you can see how this area looks like. It is the outskirts of Machakos town, and from here to Machakos town is just 30 Kenya shillings. Sometimes I go for a walk. Many people foot, they go for a walk. Many people trek to Machakos town. Sometimes people, they go to work by footing, trekking, and they come back. In the evening, they also trek.